Hello Leute, wie geht's? Ich heiße Bhagyashree. Hi guys, how are you all? My name is Bhagyashree. In today's session, we are going to learn about what are the various forms of greetings in German language. So, the greetings that we use in a day-to-day life, how are these greetings called in German language? The topic is greetings in German. Okay, so to begin with, what do we call greetings in German language? So, greetings in German language is called as Be Grio Sungen. Begrüßungen. Greetings in German language are called as Begrüßungen. Okay. So let's see the pronunciation part of it. Let's see how do we pronounce it. So let's break the word. It is Begrü. So how do we say grew in English? Begrüßungen. Begrüßungen. Now to tell you, this beta sign represents double S. This beta sign is used for double S effect in German language. So the pronunciation is Begrüßungen. Okay, so the first word that we have here is hello. So how do we say hello in German language? We say Hallo. Hallo. Hello. That's how we say this in German language. Then next we have is good morning. So how do we say good morning in German language? We will say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Then next we have is good day or good afternoon. So for good day and for good afternoon, you will say Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Now Tag means day, but Guten Tag, this phrase is also used for good afternoon. Then we have good evening. So for good evening, we say Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Then we have good night. Good night. Now good night has a different ending for Guten. So here we say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. There is no N at the end. So this you have to remember. So here, what are the greetings that we have learned so far is, we have Hallo for hello, Guten Morgen for good morning, Guten Tag for good day or good afternoon, Guten Abend for good evening, Gute Nacht for good night. Next, now in Germany, according to the regions, they have different way of saying hello. So we will also throw some light on it. Okay, so here is a map of Germany. So let's understand what are the various ways of saying hello according to the regions in Germany. So in the northern part, you can hear people saying Moin, Moin. In the southern part, people say Servus, Servus. You might also come across people saying Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. So these are various forms of saying hello in Germany. But here what we have learned is, let's say if you're meeting someone for the first time or someone in formal setup, you can say Hallo, Guten Tag, Hallo, Guten Tag. Or you can just say Guten Tag. It is a way of saying hello in German language. Alright, let's move on to the next slide. So let's say when you're meeting somebody, you're meeting your friend. So you will say hello. And after that, you will say, how are you doing? Right? Hello, how are you doing? Now basically this is how we start a conversation. Hello, how are you? So you would say, Wie geht es Ihnen oder or dir? So what does this mean basically? So this means How are you doing? How are you doing? Now here if you can see, we have Ihnen and we have dear. So this represents you, but this you is formal. That means you can use this for your boss, to your clients. And this dear is informal. So you can use this for your friends or someone with whom you're not in a formal relationship with. So this is for an informal situation. So now you're greeting someone, wie geht es Ihnen? So your friend or the other person would say, mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. Danke. Thanks. Which means I am doing good. Thanks. Thanks. And the person will also ask you, and what about you and you? So, und Ihnen oder dir or dir. And you? So you would say also good, right? So you would say auch gut. Auch gut, danke. So it is auch gut, danke, which means also good, thanks. So let's say this is person A. So the person A says, wie geht es Ihnen? So the person B says, mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen? So what the person A would reply? Auch gut, danke. This is how you basically start a conversation. Then, how do you say goodbye in German language? So what are the various ways of saying goodbye in German language? So let's see. Now, in formal way, if you want to say bye, you would say, so formal way as in when you are at a client's place or you're dealing with a boss or someone in a very formal setup. So you would say, auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Now, to tell you, sehen means to see. And wieder means again. And auf is a preposition in German language. Now this basically means we'll meet again, to see again. But when you want to say bye to somebody in formal situation, you will say auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen, it's a way of saying bye. Then for informal, you would say tschüss. Tschüss. You would say tschüss in an informal situation. Then, now after saying goodbye, you want to say see you soon. See you soon. So for see you soon, you would say bis bald. Bis bald. Now bis is a preposition which means till or until. And bald means soon. Now when these two different words they come together, it means see you soon. Bis bald. See you soon. Then we have see you later. See you later. So for see you later, it is bis später. Bis später. Now bis we know it is till or until, and später means later. So when these two different words they come together, it means see you later, bis später. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you very much.